very straight back, no need. Whatever is comfort. If you are comfortable sitting like that, if you are used to sitting for 20 minutes without disturbance with your spine erect, you sit, But once you begin like this and later on you should just let go and say, suppose your body want to relax, you should let it happen. Yeah? But we don't meditate lying down on the sofa or, stretch your legs and I'm meditating. It's not going to happen. Any comfortable seat is good. You can sit with the back rest, preferably, and don't rest your head as far as possible. But if you feel uncomfortable, you want to rest your head, you can go ahead. If you have some physical challenges, illnesses, or some discomfort, then you do it. But it's better not to rest your head because it may take you to sleep more than meditation. So sit comfortably, easily, and close your eyes and just listen to the guided meditation. And when the instruction comes, keep your spine erect. You start with your spine erect. And then you let go. Okay? There is always this instruction, let go totally, let go, let go. This instruction is the most crucial instruction in meditation, letting go. Yeah? And it's better to meditate 2-3 hours after meal or before meal. Just before meal you can do it, but if you have full stomach, you say, I'm going to sit for meditation, it's not going to happen to you. Right? And then another challenge that you have, or another issue that comes here is you sit and then you feel restless, so many thoughts come in the mind. What do I do? Right? You just embrace the thoughts. In the first 1 or 2 days, it's like that. Once you move on, you will find in the 3rd day, 4th day, 5th day, every day, your meditation will keep getting better and better and better. Yeah? Even if some days your meditation is not so good, never mind. Why it feels like that? Because some stress is getting out of the body. Right? It's like the dust that was from underneath the carpet is flying out. It's going away. So you don't need to worry. And thoughts come, okay, let them come. Take a couple of deep breaths. And every time you become aware, thoughts are coming to my mind, you come back. You remember, I'm meditating. You let go and follow the instructions. That's why beginning days we need guided meditation till you get to a point where you don't need any outside instruction. You just sit and then you start sinking deep down in meditation. Yeah? So that is very important.